Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Settings and go to Storage to see used versus free space, then back up photos and important files to cloud or SD. Once backed up, close large background apps and disable automatic sync or turn on airplane mode to avoid unwanted downloads. Make sure battery is above 20% or plug-in, because deep cleanup can take time. Next, we'll remove bulky files and apps to reclaim significant space. Now focus on the core cleanup actions that free the most space. Open files or storage and sort items by size, delete large, outdated videos and duplicates, or move them to SD or cloud. Uninstall apps you don't use, and for apps you keep, clear cache from App Info. This removes temporary data without losing app settings. Once done, empty the Downloads folder and clear offline maps or podcasts. These steps systematically reduce storage bloat and improve performance, preparing your phone for final maintenance. Finish by running the built-in storage optimizer or a trusted cleaner, and then reboot your phone to apply changes and free locked files. Check for leftover installer or temp files and remove them, and review system updates that may have stalled. If storage still reads low, consider a factory reset only after a complete backup. This removes hidden system clutter. If problems continue, try safe mode to identify a misbehaving app, uninstall recent installs. These final steps resolve most persistent storage issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.